Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Wajiha, your assistant teacher. Now for worksheet 2, let's start worksheet 2. First thing is do you survey of your school and find the answer to these questions. You have to survey your school and answer these questions. Like first thing is how many classrooms are there? You should take a guess and then write the correct answer. Like you guess that there are 10 rooms or 15 rooms in your school, then check out whether is it true or not and then write the correct answer. Then how many boys are there? Take a guess and write correct answer. How many desks are there? How many teachers are there? Like this, you should take a guess and then write the correct answer. All of this has to be done by surveying your school. B part is look into the pictures, name the items and write their use. Now look these pictures, which is ruler, razor, pencil and book, and now you should write these item names and then their use. Like for example, this picture is about pencil. I will write in pencil in items column and then write use, like pencil is used for writing. Like this razor used for erasing, and you have to write item name and use of these 5 pictures. Next thing is C. Write what do you like the most in your school with reasons. You have to write which thing is your favorite in your school with reason. Like if I say I like playground in my school the most, and the reason is because I can play a lot there. Like this, you have to write a favorite thing in your school and then reason why you like this thing. D part is write the names of 2 brands of. You have to write brand names of 2 things, like 2 brand names of things, like bath soap. You have to write this brand name, like Lux or Lifebuoy or whether it is, you have to write the 2 brand names. Washing powder like Surf Excel or Ariel or whatever, you have to write 2 brand names, like this shampoo, Sunslick, Head and Shoulders or whatever you like, and toothpaste. E. Signs are used to warn us of danger. Here are few. Do you know what they are? Signs are used to warn people. Have you seen traffic signals? Which signs are used for many directions or warnings. Like there are given some signs, you have to write the meanings. Like first one is danger. This sign is of danger. You have to write there it is danger. And third one is of no smoking. You will write no smoking here. Like you have to write the meanings of these signs here. F part is write down 10 ways of keeping healthy. You have to write 10 sentences about keeping yourself healthy. Like I wake up early in the morning, I go for a walk, I take a bath daily, I eat healthy foods, and like this you have to write 10 sentences. Okay students, have a nice day. Your worksheet